last video there's been quite a few things I've progressed with that I just haven't filmed, just by the timing that things came. And like I said yesterday, I was down at my mum's yesterday and I gave the kind of unit a first coat, but I didn't have my GoPro and that with me at the time, so I just went ahead and done it while I had the opportunity. So that's what I've done there, but I'll explain as the video goes on what's changed. It's not been a great deal, but it's just little bits that I would have liked to maybe have went over in more detail, but just never really had the chance. But these things are done nonetheless. So yeah, I'm gonna move on and get the unit painted, get the second coat on it, get the doors done. But what I don't recommend you try to paint as fast as me, right? Because this level of speed only comes with years of experience. Kick plate for the front of the bed. Now when I bought this panel, from here to here is the exact width, foot cutting, that I need. And all I need to do is bring it up. I think it's about 300mm. Straight across. Boom, paint it and stick it on. Let's do it. Sorted. Just need to paint it on the SAF. Paint it up and stick it on. Right, so I've cut the kick plate to size, painted it, I've put it in the shed just to dry, so in the meantime I'll be able to show you really what I've done since the last video, more notably being the fridge that I've installed. This is a SMAD fridge, 50 litres I think it is, this one, and it was £180. Which I think is a great price considering the price of your domestics, and there's other ones out there that are a lot more expensive, more in the £500 mark. Now for me, again, I'm no full-time living in a van, but the way I see it, it makes stuff cold. A domestic fridge, I guess it makes stuff cold. Is the pluses you get with that fridge worth an extra £300? In my opinion, no. So this is what I've got, and it fits in that insert perfectly. It's actually got a light, but the light comes on when you open the door, but that only works if it's hooked up to AC. I don't know why that is, but it did say that in the description when I bought it. I'll leave a link in the description for you if you're interested in this. But yeah, so it's obviously with the light, it still does its job, that's the main thing. And it's got a setting up here for how cool you want it. You probably have it more towards less than half, or towards, you kind of, I would say between minimum and maximum, just to conserve power if you're going to have it on for any length of time and you're just running off the leisure battery. But yeah, it just works off 12 volts, and when you get it, it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter. But there's a way around that. If you're looking to put this into your rocker switch, I've got this one here just for demonstration purposes. This is off the inverter, which I'm actually not going to ever use, so I can show you, but the principle's the same. This part here, this is obviously just a regular cigarette lighter, you know, adapter, and all that. If you break it apart, it's really simple. It's the live part. You've got your live part and your negative part. Now, the red line that follows, the red wire here that comes through, that makes your live, and then the black part is welded or soldered onto this part here. You know, and that's inside your cigarette lighter must be the ground, and the grounding of the vehicle. So see if you pull this apart, it really is quite simple. Obviously your red goes up into the wee knob at the top, and then your ground is what makes up the rest of the part. And obviously when that plugs in, that's what completes the circuit. That being live, and that there being the earth and the ground. So all I simply done was cut the wire and stripped it. Done the same with the negative part. Cut it, stripped it, and then just put it into its. I'll give you a look. It was, in this case, it's the fridge. That one there. And then I've put it onto the negative bar that I'd made up. Obviously that goes for all my devices, but it really is quite simple. So that's the fridge installed. Yeah, what else has really been happening? Anyway, I bought that out of the range. It's just a folding storage box. I can fold it in if I need to, but I can actually open this up. The bedding came out and it won't actually fill this. We've got a lot of storage in there. That bit of wood that I was talking about pretty much is a shelf, and that'll be going behind the door. I'll open that up and there'll be a shelf, and I'll be able to get a load of stuff in there. And obviously with the storage, I'm going to build another shelf above the leisure battery, and I've got all the storage that's underneath my bed, so there's actually quite a lot of storage really. And what else did I do? Yeah, so the telly's up. They never came with a remote, but I managed to get myself one. Just typed in the serial number and got that. If I switch it in for the telly, and then we have what I did buy for my phone. I find this probably easier. I mean, I've got an aerial for that telly, but if you're always on the go, your signal's always going to change, and where I'll be going there'll probably be no signal at all. So I bought it's a HDMI port that goes into your phone, and it's like casting. You plug it into your phone, and I can have stuff preloaded on my phone if it's from my way or whatever, and you just plug it in and then it comes on up there. In fact, I might even be able to do that now and show you. See if you can pop up, see if I can get you on the telly. Hang on. Let's find out. Is it going to work? I think it is. No, there you go. Go this way. That's not working that way, but you get the picture, don't you? So yeah, it's just another little. I mean, that was but $6.99. Again, if you're in, I'll put that link in the description for that as well. So I think it's fair to say that the build's coming to an end. It's all just all storage ideas that I put up. Maybe the van tour will be next. But yeah, it's coming along nice. When I think actually the time I put into it, I don't really think it's been that much. Albeit I started the build in the inside just after Christmas, but there has been a lot of time where I haven't been out in the van. I've only been doing it when time allows, really, between work and having the rain and all that sort of stuff. So it's not really been that hard, to be honest with you. So anybody thinking about doing it, certainly go for it. So yeah, so what I'll do is get another coat on the kick plate, the kickboard, whatever you want to call it. Just put that on. Don't know whether to put it on hinges. I might just have it with the velcro, and if I really need to get to it I can just simply pull it off. So it's the day after when I painted my unit and cut this and painted this kickboard. And I don't know if you can sense the roughness of me, but I am rough today. Ah, the joys. But hey ho, nothing's going to stop me from getting on with what I need to do. Having the rain jump about and causing absolute mayhem. Oh, come on. But no point sitting about feeling sorry for yourself. Self-inflicted and all that. I should finish this off nicely. Can't let that stick to that again. That was super sticky. Job done. Another little thing done. Just plugged in, man. My battery's about to die. That little cushion, my mum got me that for my 35th birthday. She really broke the bank, yeah. I like it. I like the red in it. Picks out the map and whatever else. I'm going to go to IKEA and get a couple of other cushions. And I believe we'll be able to pick up some nice little storage compartments. I'm going to see if I can maybe get a wee shelf and we put up there. I'll probably do something similar along the top here. Some kind of overhead locker, overhead shelf. As long as it can hold stuff and doesn't fall off when we're driving about, then that's what you're after. I actually end up putting that there. When this bed's folded out flat, that'll be an access point to put your phone or I don't know, whatever. Yeah, put the catches on as well. Locked, unlocked. Yeah, it's coming together. So yeah, oh, I'm going to call that a wrap for just now. Don't forget, like and subscribe, hit the wee notification bell to see my future uploads. The next video should be probably how I put the shelves up, maybe what I've bought for IKEA. This will all be done inside the next week or whatever. So yeah, so if you've been watching, thanks very much. Like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one.